Hello everyone, my name is Adam, co-founder and CEO of Voqo AI. Our vision is to transform telecommunication through deploying real-time voice AI agents. In this video, I will be demoing the basic features of our self-serve platform, which includes setting up and deploying an AI phone agent, connecting your agent with your phone number, and checking your phone call history. We'll be following the left-hand side agenda here for this video. And note that we are only demoing the very basic set of features that most of our users use. And for more advanced users or features, you can always visit our website or documentations page for more information. So first, let's log in. Upon signing up, every user will automatically receive an AI phone agent with a phone number. And this phone number will be the interface that users like yourself or your callers or your customers can reach the AI agent. And in the agent settings page, you can set up your agent's functionalities, such as the voice of your agent. And here we offer a variety of different voices. Some are more uplifting, others are more formal, and some are slower than other voices. And additionally, for maybe more advanced users, they can make it more human-like by adding a background noise in the call. So after the basic settings, users can then go to conversation settings where they can set up the basic interaction configurations between the caller and the agent. We offer two main types of conversation settings. The first one is using a prompt template, which is pre-made. And the second way is to use a custom prompt where users can input their own prompt and opening sentence. The reason why we have a prompt template feature is because we realized most of our users are not familiar with writing their custom prompts. So by using prompt templates, users can onboard a lot more frictionless, if not zero friction. So they can simply select a conversation template and fill in the gaps or fill in the empty fields to set up their agent very quickly. And under custom prompt, users can write their own prompt. If they're more advanced, we welcome everyone to customize their own phone answering agent. And with custom prompts, users can, of course, be more open to add different function calls and knowledge base. But these are more for advanced users. And the next types of settings we have is known as the post-call actions. And post-call actions are generally used to notify the agent's owner that the agent has received a phone call. And there are three main ways of notification. One is through an SMS to a phone number. The second way is to sending an email to a dedicated email address. And the third way is sending a webhook to a system such as Zapier, Make, or directly to Salesforce or other types of CRMs. Okay, so that's all the basic agent settings. And once we're done with setting up an agent, the next thing we need to do is to test and deploy. To test, users can simply call this number with their phone, and then they should be able to start a conversation with the agents with the settings below. And for the viewers, you guys are welcomed to call this number, and if you call this will be my personal number, and I will receive a post-call notification about your call. Feel free to call and leave a message to me. And after testing out your agent, the next step you want to do is to deploy. And currently, most of our users are deploying through two ways. One is by simply giving this number away for people to call, and the second way is linking this agent number as a call transfer destination. And the most common call transfer type our users are using is the conditional call transfer. What that means is when a phone call comes in, if the phone owner is unable to pick up, the phone call will be redirected to your agent's number. Hence, if you setting up a conditional call transfer, then calls will no longer be forwarded to your voicemail. And users can follow very simple 4-step instructions to set up their agent. And we do it very simply by allowing or giving users the option to scan a QR code. So once you scan and call this number, I will display some screenshot on the screen. You will set up a conditional call transfer. And to test if the conditional call transfer has been successful or not, first you will see on your screen for the message, and secondly, you can verify it in the third step of the verification onboarding process. Once you click verify, you should receive a phone call from our system, and now you need to hang up. After hanging up, if the agent is working, then the agent is currently talking with the verification call. And on the screen, you can see my number is verified and is ready to take phone calls. And sometimes, on a side note, you might need to restart your phone because sometimes this is a bit weird. Okay, so now that your agent is live and deployed, the next thing you might want to do is to review the calls that others have had with your agent. So besides post-call actions, you can also view the call log, where a full list of phone calls are deployed or displayed. So for example, the current screen shows a testing call that I did with my own agent. You can see the summary, similar to your post-call action, duration, recording, time zone of the agent, and any post-call actions that the agent executed. And down below, you can see the full transcript. And with the call logs page, you will be able to get a better understanding of the system or the conversation. So that concludes the main functionalities of the platform. And by the way, users can also update their subscription in real time, live. And we charge each feature based on credits. So the more user use, the more they pay. Thank you very much. Don't forget to sign up and provide some feedback, please.